Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your appearance of your player. So let's get started by tapping the club and tap the locker room, tap the appearance. As you can see, tap the third one. So in this option you can change your jersey, how your player use, like tuck in or untuck, like this. So this is not affect your gameplay, it's just a visual or graphic. You can also try this not for general player, but you can try by one by one to your player. By tap select a player, tap one of your player, I choose Neymar here, confirm, tuck it or untuck, and also give another example like this. So this video I made for the beginner only. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.